Alright, so this is me going in, trying to start it, making noises, charge system fault. Click from the relays. Something's making noise in front, not sure what that is. This is what it does. And then we get a little Christmas tree light action. Hang on, let's do that again. Yep, charge system fault, Raj. And then it's clicking like crazy down there. But take that off. Open the door, reset. Close the door. Nothing. And we got 12 volts to the battery. Battery's still good. Check that. So far, I changed out the throttle position sensor. I changed. I had the alternator rebuilt, original alternator rebuilt. Changed out the TAC module, and I've got a ignition switch supposed to show up tonight. Those are known to go bad on this too. Hopefully that'll fix it.